If you are finding texture ID of any material in Roblox but you can't find it and you need a solution, then this video is for you. Let me show you how you can find the texture ID in Roblox. First, go to roblox.com in your browser and log into your account. You can join Roblox Creator Hub by clicking on Create, and you can create a creator ID from here. And also you can find the texture ID of your crafted item by applying the same process. For example, I'm going to Marketplace, and here I'm choosing a texture. Yes, here a texture. From here you can choose yours one, and for sake of this video I'm choosing this texture, and you can see this is a skin, and at the search tab you will find some numbers in your link. In this link of this page, this number is the texture ID of this skin. Now you can find texture ID of any skin or any item of Roblox. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this video. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.